Hello, Coder Simplified here, and today we are going to learn how to use images. So first of all, we want to add our body tags, opening and closing. And in between them, we want to add our image tag. And the image tag is img. And then let's add our closing one as well. And then the first one, we want to add src, which means source, and then equals. And after that, we want to put our double quotes. So what we put in the double quotes is the source of the image. In my case, it is image_1.jpg. Then as you see, it will display the image at full size. But if you want to resize the image, in the first tag, or the opening tag, you put in width equals, and then double quotes, and then however big you want the image. For me, I'm going to do 250. And then same with the height. And as you see, it will resize the image for me. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.